In this video, I am going to explain LPP by using Big M method. So the given question is minimize z equal to 5x1 plus 3x2 and subject to is 2x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 12, 2x1 plus 2x2 equal to 10, 5x1 plus 2x2 greater than or equal to 10. So the given question is in the form of minimization. So we have to convert it into maximization, and here subject to constant we have to convert into equality, that is inequality here are, so it convert into equality sign. So solution, maximize z star equal to convert maximization, negative sign multiplied by z, that is minus 5x1 minus 3x2. Next we have to add slack variable in first constant, due to here less than or equal to 12 है, तो less than or equal to 12 means add slack variable s1 and second constant are equal to sign है, तो artificial variable a1 and third constant greater than or equal to 10, that is greater than or equal to तो minus s2 surplus variable minus s2 and add plus a2, then and x1 x2 s1 s2 a1 and a2 are greater than 0. So the maximized z star become minus 5x1 minus 3x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 minus ma1 minus ma2. An initial basic feasible solution is s1 equal to 12, a1 equal to 10, a2 equal to 10 by subject to constant, that is in first constant x1 and x2 become 0, then s1 become 12, and second constant x1 and x2 become 0, then a1 become 10, and in third constant x1 and x2 become 0, then a2 become 10. Then next step is construct the initial table. This is the format of initial table. Here Cj is coefficients of optimal solution, and B is basic variable, and xb is RHS sets of value, and cb is coefficients of basic variable. And from question, maximize z star equal to minus 5x1 minus 3x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 minus ma1 minus ma2. So the coefficients of optimal solution become minus 5 minus 3 0 0 minus m minus m. Then basic variables are, that is s1 a1 and a2, and coefficients of basic variable is s1 का 0, a1 minus m, a2 minus m, and xb is RHS sets of value, that is 12, 10 and 10. And here in first constant coefficients are x1 का 2, x2 is 4 and s1 here 1, and s2 a1 and a2 is not there, so 0 0 0. Then in second constant is 2 and x2 का 2, s1 भी नहीं है, s2 भी नहीं है, a2 भी नहीं है, a1 है तो a1 का कोएफिशिएंट 1, 0 0 0. In third constant 5, 2 and s1 0, s2 का -1, a1 का 0, a2 का 1. Then we have to find here zj. How do we have to find, that is 0 into 2. 0, here one formula is there, Zj equal to Cb into Xj, that is 0 into 2 plus minus m into 2 plus minus m into 5 equal to 0 into 2 0 plus 2 into minus m, that is minus 2m, and minus 5m become minus 2m minus 5m, minus 2m minus 5m. And next also same, 0 into 4 plus minus m into 2 plus minus m into 2 become minus 2m minus 2m, minus 2m minus 2m. Then 1 0 0 minus m into 0 minus m into 0 becomes 0. Then 0 into 0 plus 0 into minus m 0, then minus that is 0 into 0 plus 0 into minus m plus minus 1 into minus m become plus m. Next 0 into 0 plus minus m into 1 plus minus m into minus 1 become m. Then 0 into 0 0, 0 into minus m also 0, remaining is minus m into 1 become minus m. Then we have to find Zj minus Cj. To find Zj minus Cj, Zj minus Cj equal to Cb into Xj minus Cj. In the first answer is minus 2m minus 5m, minus as it is, Cj का value minus 5, that is minus 5, and answer next is minus 2m minus 5m, minus into minus plus 5 become minus 7m plus 5, minus 7m plus 5. Then minus 2m minus 2m minus Cj का value minus 3, then become minus 4m, minus into minus plus 3, minus 4m plus 3. Here 0 minus 0 becomes 0, m minus 0 become m, m minus m, that is m minus of minus m become 2m. Here also 2m. Then we have to find first in the Zj minus Cj which is the most negative value. Here minus 7m plus 5 is most negative value, so mark it, this column we have to mark. Then we have to find minimum ratio using key column. X1 is the key column. Here minus m is there, so minus m minus, as it is Cj is minus m, becomes minus m minus into minus plus becomes 0. Here is 0, here also becomes 0. So the key column is x1, xb divided by x1. X1 key column must be greater than 0, so xb value is 12 divided by key column is 2 become 6. Then 10 divided by 2 become 5, 10 divided by 2 become 5, sorry it is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Here we have to consider which is the smallest value, that is 2 is the smallest value, so this is the key row, and 5, this 5 become key element. Using key element, next table we have to construct. Next table is also same format, and Cj ka value also same. Here x1 is entering element and a2 is leaving element. So basic variables are s1, a1, and a2 is leaving element, x1 is entering, so x1, and coefficients of s1 is 0, a1 is minus m, x1 is minus 5, and xb is, we have to calculate this. The basic variables s1, a1 and x1 are in the form of unit matrix, that is s1 is, first s1 है तो 1 0 0, and next a1 that is 0 1 0, and x1 is 0 0 1. Next we have to find remaining values, and first which have the key row and which key element divide by key element, that is 10 divided by 5 become 2, 5 by 5 is 1, 2 by 5, 0 by 5 is 0, minus 1 by 5, 0 by 5 becomes 0, the next 1 by 5. To find remaining values, here cross multiplication of which we have to find that value, multiply by key element and minus into adjacent side of value into corresponding opposite side of that value divided by key element, that is, in first to find this place, 5 into 12 minus 10 into 2 become 20 divided by key element, that is 5. 60 minus 20 divided by 5 become 40 by 5. Answer is 8. Here also same, it is 10 into 5 is 50 minus 10 into 2 is 20 divided by key element is 5. 50 minus 20 is 30 divided by 5, that answer is 6. Next to find this place, 5 into 4, that is 20 minus 2 into 2, 4 divided by key element is 5, 16 by 5. Here 16 by 5. And to find this place, 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 5, 6 divided by 5. Here also same, 5 into 0, 5 into 0 is 0 minus of minus 1 into 2 divided by key element, it is 2 by 5. And next 5 into 0, 0 minus of minus 1 into 2 divided by 5, 2 by 5. Next 5 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2 divided by 5, it is 2 minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. To find this, 5 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 5 become minus 2 by 5. Then we have to find Zj value. Find Zj value. The formula is Zj equal to Cb into Xj. In the first row, Cb is 0 into 0 plus, and next is minus 1 into 0 plus minus 5 into 1 become minus 5. Then 0 into is minus 16 by 5 is 0 plus minus m into 6 by 5 plus into minus 5 into 2 by 5, that is 10 by 5 become minus m 6 by m. Meaning also same, and next we have to find Zj minus Cj. Here Zj, to find Zj minus Cj, the formula is Zj minus Cj equal to Cb into Xj minus Cj. The first answer is minus 5, minus as it is, Cj is minus 5, become minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Next, minus 6m by 5 minus 2 minus as it is, Cj is minus 3, become minus 6m divided by 5, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 6, that is minus 6m by 5 minus 6, and next 0 minus 0 is 0. Next also use same procedure. Here minus 6m divided by 5 minus 2, and here minus is there, minus, and Cj is minus 3, that is minus 6m divided by 5 minus 2 minus into minus plus 3, become minus 6m divided by 5 become plus 1, that is plus 1. And next also same procedure. The most negative element is minus 6m divided by 5 plus 1 is the most negative, so x2 is the entering element. Using this we have to find minimum ratio, that is xb divided by key column. Key column is xb divided by key column is x2, and x2 must be greater than 0. And in first is xb is 8 divided by key column is 16 by 5, become 8 by 16 into 5, answer is 5 by 2. And next is 6 divided by 6 by 5, become 6 divided by 6 into 5, answer is 5. Next also same, that is 2 divided by 2 into 5, become 5. And here minimum value is 5 by 2. This is the key row, and this common element is key element. Using this key element we have to find next table, and this is the S1 is the leaving element, X2 is the entering element. Forgot that in first table A1 A2 is leaving element, so in next table here not necessary to write A2. So third table is also same in the format. So Cj is minus 5 minus 3 0 0 minus m, the coefficients of optimal solution. So in previous table S1 is the leaving element and x2 is entering element. So x2 a1 as it is, x1 as it is. The coefficient of x2 is minus 3, a1 is minus 1 minus m, and x1 is minus 5. And which is the key row, divide by key element, that is here x2 a1 x1 in the format of unit matrix, that is x2 is first is x2, so 1 0 0, a1 is 0 1 0 and x1 is 0 0 1. To find and first we have to, which is the key row, divide by key element, so 8 by 16 divided by 5, that become 5 by 2. And next 0 by anything is 0, then 16 by 5 into divided by 16 by become 1, and next is 5 by 16, and next is 1 by 8, and a1 is 0. Then to find remaining values are same in the format of multiplication, that is key element, which we have to find this place, multiply by key element and corresponding opposite element divide by key element. Here also same procedure to find Zj and Zj minus Cj, and here S2 is entering element. Using S2 we have to find minimum ratio, that is xb divided by key column. Key column is S2, so xb is 5 by 2 into divide by 1 by 8, become 5 by 2 into 8, the answer is 20. Next xb is 3, divide by 1 by 4, become 3 into 4 is answer is 12. Then here minus 1 by 4 is there. Here one condition is there, key column must be greater than 0, so here not necessary to find this. And next table is also same. Here 12 is minimum value, so this is the key row and the key element is 1 by 4. Using key element we have to find next table, that is Cj is also same, minus 5 3 0 0. Here a1 is leaving element, so s2 come this place, that is x2 is same and a1 का place में s2 and s1 x1 is as it is. The coefficient of x2 is minus 3 and s2 is 0, x1 is minus 5. Then we have to find first which is the key row, the key element we have to divide this row, become 12 0 0 minus 3 by 2 1, and x2 s2 s1 x1 must be in the form of unit matrix, that is x2 is 1 0 0, s2 is 0 1 0, x1 is 0 0 1. Next remaining value is also same procedure, that is multiplication form using key element. So first is 1 become 1 0 1 1 by 2 0, then 4 1 0 minus 1 by 2 0. Then we have to find Zj. To find Zj is Zj minus to find Zj, Zj equal to Cb into Xj. Here Cb is minus 3 into 0 plus minus m into 0 plus minus 5 into 1 become minus 5. Answer is minus 5. Then here also same. Then the answer is minus 5 minus 3 1 0. Then we have to find Zj minus Cj. Formula is Zj minus Cj equal to Cb into Xj minus Cj. Here Cb into Xj, that is Zj is minus 5, minus as it is Cj is minus 5. then minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Here minus 3 minus of minus 3 becomes 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. Then here Zj minus Cj are greater than 0. Then next we have not necessary to next table. So the value is x2 का value is 1 and x1 is 4 and x3 is 0. Here not necessary x3. So the optimum solution that is maximize z star equal to minus 5x1 minus 3x2. Here x1 का value 4. Therefore minus 5 into 4 minus 3 into x2 is 1. So minus 20 minus 3 equal to minus 23. The given minimize question is there. So minimize z equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. So the x1 and x2 values substitute here. Then the answer is 23.